Hello everyone, welcome back to English Maths. So, fluent English in 21 days? Yes. Hello future fluent English speaker. You're dreaming of expressing yourself effortlessly in English. Do you feel that frustrating gap between understanding your English perfectly and speaking it confidently? Maybe words get you stuck, you hesitate, or you find yourself translating in your head, making conversations feel slow and awkward. Are you tired of thinking, I'll get serious about learning English someday? Do you have these questions rewired in your head? Well, guess what? That someday is today, because I'm here to tell you something powerful, something that might even sound a little unbelievable at first. You can achieve a significant level of fluency in just 21 days. So, yes, you heard me right. I'm not talking about achieving native level perfection or memorizing a dictionary. I'm talking to you about becoming conversationally fluent, being able to express your thoughts, ideas, and feelings smoothly without constant hesitation. And the best part, no soul crushingly boring textbooks, no grammar drills that make you scream. Just 25 days of focused, smart action, confidence building, and strategies that deliver real, tangible results. Come on. Today, I'm not going to motivate you. I'm not going to give you a complete day by day, actionable 21-day plan to unlock that fluent English speaker already inside you. So, if you are ready to transform your English speaking skills, just stick with me like that lizard at your house. Your journey to fluent English begins right now. So, don't get out of the video. Stay with me. Before we dive into how, let's talk about why and what if. Understanding? Have you ever been in a group, in a meeting, or even a casual conversation and you had a brilliant idea, a witty comment, or a heartfelt opinion, but you held back? Not because you didn't know what to say, but because you weren't sure how to say it in English. Of course, you would have underwent this scenario. Have you felt that sting of embarrassment or frustration of not being understood? Maybe because you've seen opportunities, a better job, a chance to study abroad, new friendship, slip away because of a lack of English speaking confidence. I'm able to just frame those group of people who are trying to make IELTS scores, who want to study abroad. There are people, it's a huge population in India. I can see them. So, or perhaps you are a great student, brilliant in your subject, but you stay quiet in classrooms. I have such students in my class. You are fearing of that judgment. What would be your speaking? So you might be thinking, I know so many English words, I understand movies, songs, why can't I just speak fluently? If any of this resonates with you, please know this, you're not alone. Millions of incredibly intelligent and capable people, especially in countries where English isn't the first language, face this exact challenge. They have a strong passive understanding of English, but active speaking fluency feels like a distant dream. And I want to emphasize this, it's not your fault. Traditional education systems often focus heavily from grammar rules, reading comprehension, writing exam. We learn about English, but we are not really taught how to use it spontaneously. Like real life conversations. We are taught the mechanics, but not the art of confident communication. Agree with me? You have to. But here's the good news, it's never too late. English fluency is a skill. Unlike any skill, playing a musical instrument, learning to cook, riding a bicycle, it can be learned, developed and mastered with the right method. And the right mindset, consistent practice. So what is fluency? So clarifying that goal. So when I say fluent in 21 days, what do I actually mean? It's crucial. Fluency does not mean speaking with a perfect British American accent wearing the suit. Your accent is a part of your identity. Okay. So knowing every single word in the dictionary, native speakers don't. Actually, dictionary was compiled by some people like Cambridge and Oxford. Okay, speaking is very different from dictionary words. Often I tell my students to get dictionary, even if it's 10th or PU. Dictionary is a must in my classrooms. But you're speaking, I'm fine. I'm a talking dictionary to you. Don't mind if I boast myself too much. So what is fluency? In 21 days, you have to take it as a challenge. So fluency means smoothness. Your speech flows like that river, Kaveri river flowing without excessive pauses while you search for words. That pause shows you're not fluent. Next, ease of expression. You can convey your thoughts and ideas without struggling significantly. Okay, like how I speak in the videos, if you have watched. Okay, thinking in English at least partially. You have to start to form sentences. If you see my translation video, I've told a bit expansively on what is that problem. So rather than translating word to word from your native language, this is a game changer for speed and naturalness. So confidence, this is the big one. You speak without crippling the fear of judgment. You are willing to communicate even if it's not perfect. It's about effective communication and confidence far more than what's absolute perfection. Our goal in these 21 days is to build that confident, communicative English speaker in you. Mr. or Mrs. Ajji or Tata or a baby. Anyone who is watching this, please seal it, register it in your mind. So how this 21-day plan works. So alright, let's go nuts and bolts how this 21 days fluent English plan structure. It's designed for busy people like you, students, professionals, homemakers. It's a practical, realistic, and most importantly, incredibly powerful if you commit to it. If you commit to this video, what I'm telling. So you'll need to dedicate just 1 hour per day. I've given a different time sets in my videos. You have to just follow those patterns and just switch in to what pattern suits you. So that's it. One focused international hour. You are in Dubai, you are in Maldives, you are in Thailand. Just 1 hour. We'll break this hour into 4 key building activities. So what are those? 20 minutes, we have broken it down. 20 minutes of active listening, 20 minutes of dedicating speaking practice, 10 minutes of purposeful reading, purposefully loud, 10 minutes of vocabulary and pronunciation focus. Done. 1 hour of your day. So, to immerse yourself in the sounds and rhythms of English, you have to actively listen. If you have to speak, then second, 20 minutes of dedicating practice, because you can't learn to swim by reading a book. You have to swim in water. Next, 10 minutes of purposeful reading aloud to improve pronunciation, intonation and sentence structure. Next other 10 minutes, if you have to expand your word bank and refine your identity, put this 1 hour for 21 days. Only way, no escape, no choot jana. Done. Agree, comment below. Don't discontinue watching it. Okay. So for 1 hour for 21 consecutive days. Why 21 days? It's often said that you have to take 21 days for a new habit. So this challenge is as much as about building a habit of daily English practice. It's about the skills themselves. So consistency is your superpower here. An hour a day, every day, it's far more than effective than cramming for 7 hours once a week. So follow this plan diligently. Put this word into your vocabulary bank. Bring your enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is already there inside you. Put it in this way. And I promise you by day 21, you will be amazed at your progress. Nirupama will sign your certificate. English learnt. Understood. You'll feel a shift in your skills and more importantly in your confidence. Just like how I have. You'll at least take that confidence I am giving you as a gift. Yeah. So week 1, break that fear, build that habit. So keep that goal for a week. Get comfortable hearing and speaking basic English. Overcome initial hesitation. Establish a consistent practical routine. I tell you, even I have come into a routine by making these videos for you, where I speak English. So if you observe my first video to this video, you'll get a hold on how I'm talking to you. So day 1 to day 3, English is not a subject, it's a lifestyle tool. Okay, welcome to week 1, our focus. For these first few days, it's simple. You will have that initial days being crammed. Okay, English like a daunting academic subject. You have to study for an exam. Feel it like that. Start seeing it as a school, tool, a skill. If you have to work, you have to survive. You need to build that foundation crucially. That's the habit. Active listening. Yeah, dedicated speaking practice. It might feel awkward at first, but I tell you, it's very essential. If you have a mirror, if you're looking off at yourself, otherwise you don't find a mirror, your phone, selfie mode, they put it on, you have a video. Okay, whether you're professional or a student or a guy who doesn't even know English, just talk. Example, like today I woke up at 7 a.m, brushed my teeth, I prepared for my day, watched Nirupama's YouTube video, English Pulse, talk about me only and post, learn, talk, that's all. That's all I want from this video. So then simple narrations, making tea, getting dressed. Otherwise, if you're a tailor, how did you stitch a dress? Okay, I'm opening the cupboard, I'm taking a cup, I'm drinking. Everything, express. Okay, I've told you all this consistent hesitation, practice, improve, confident. Just learn these words only. Cycle it, recycle the words. Okay. So just this inputs creates an absorption to your brain. So did you understand? Did you synthesize all this process for a 21-day talking? So if you stumble, just go back and repeat the phrase. Okay. You need not pause. You need not stop. So say them slowly at first and then fasten it. Like Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Tongue twisters. Come on, repeat. If you are seeing this video at this moment, take these words down. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Understand the meaning? Repeat it. It's a nice exercise for your tongue. She sells seashells by the seashore. Say them slowly. Fasten it. You have lot of tongue twisters, ChatGPT video I have posted. No, don't miss that progress. Okay. Have this kickstart activity. Okay. I told you translation method also. मुझे पानी चाहिए. I want water. I feel hungry. मुझे भूखी है. Like that. So if you want more any other content other than this, if you're feeling bored, take up some role plays around you. Like, so you can send short voice messages to your friends, make a joke in English. Okay. Otherwise, watch events happening abroad. Actually, I was mainly following about the Cannes Film Festival. I am a huge freak of those film festivals. Every year, I am just stunned to look at the new looks and who are the celebrities entering newly into that, who are coming up new to watch the Cannes Film Festival. Watch news, stay yourself updated, what's going around the world. Even if you can't go abroad, if you can't travel around the world, you can bring in all the world to your mouth. You can talk and you can just be happy wherever you are. That's the power, that's the spirit of a language. You dwell, you speak. Okay, that's how you keep yourself happy. Don't put that sad face on your busy schedule. have that happy face. Hey, how long will we? Who knows who is going to pop a nuclear bomb on our heads? We don't know. Out of the blue, war zones. Just be happy. I'm not giving a silent sign here. No, it's just no, out of the line words I had to tell you. So this is how I converse to myself when I have to prepare a video for you. Okay, then what else you want me to talk? Gentlemen and ladies, ladies and gentlemen, I think this would be fine for your 21-day showdown of you being a great speaker of English. So let's wind up. So it will just take 3 weeks. It's structured in such a way that I told you it will be a habit for you. So put in your timestamps on how you are learning these English. Just structure it, write it down, and follow all the steps which I have told you right now. Take it as a serious note. Comment that tongue twister I told you just now and try to practice it. So subscribe for more English learning tips and motivation. Mention resources or channels you can see down in the description. So there are some BBC learning links that I would like to post. There will be links below. And I am not promoting anybody's content here, but what I have taken up as a source of motivation, I would be just pinning in the links below. Just go down. So this expanded idea should hit closer. The word count, the target, it will provide more depth into your learning of English. So remember that your delivery, your pace, your enthusiasm will be the key to making your English speaking journey successful. Good luck. All the very best. Follow English Pulse. It's Nirupama Aradhya signing off for the day. Thank you.